am I and why am I doing this? We're gonna try the Popeyes chicken sandwich. It came back today. Well, I think yesterday. I just have to get through this line first. It's our turn.
Welcome back to Popeyes. Go ahead and place your order when ready.
Hi, can I please get 3 of the spicy chicken sandwiches and that's it?
3 spicy chicken sandwiches will be $12.69 at the window, please.
Thank you.
So I heard Mom come in, right? So, I got out of my room to say hi. Saw the Popeyes bag. My adrenaline just went.
We're gonna do a taste test.
Huh?
We're gonna do a taste test.
Cool.
Okay.
First impressions, alright.
Here's the unboxing.
Bag. It's pretty greasy.
When I ordered it, somebody behind me was like, "Can I get it with no pickles?" And the lady said, "We're not doing special orders." So it's kind of like, you get what you get. So it looks like. Chicken is huge. And I got the spicy kind.
You got the spicy kind?
Mm-hmm.
For me too.
Mm-hmm.
Take a picture.
I'll try a piece of the chicken.
Good.
Yeah. I'm gonna want to try a bite.
Where's the one with its tongue out when it's like...
I don't know. Okay. Are we ready?
Yep. Alright. Jesus, it's gigantic.
Cheers.
3,
What is that? Cheers.
2, 3, 2, 1.
It's so big.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
I mean,
This is what I think about it.
the
It
chicken.
is-
Go ahead. You go first.
It is really good, but the hype that surrounded it, I don't think that was like that necessary.
Mm-hmm.
I understand some hype, but not as much hype as it had when it first came out. But this is really good.
There's pickle in it. You might want to take off.
It's fine.
I think the breading on the chicken is good. And I think that the bun is, it's definitely better than Chick-fil-A sandwich for sure. The chicken is huge. It already comes with the sauce on it, which makes the spice. And spice isn't in the bread. The breading's good. Super crunchy. And the bun is like buttery.
That's good.
Yeah, I don't know how to explain the bun, but it's different. It's pretty good.
That is real good.
Not bad. I mean,
And I
for a
realized
fast food chicken sandwich, it's
it's really good.
yeah.
I think it was cool because last time when it first came out, the lines were going into the streets.
You
You know?
it was long too while I was there.
No. It was?
Mhm.
It was like really long, like as long as it was last time.
I would say there was like 12 cars in line.
Sorry, Judy. You
The
said
baby's
not by
behind
yourself.
us. He wants a bite. What do you think? Take it. Did you like it? He's speechless, guys. And he stinks. He's farting and it stinks, baby. Okay, so put you back up on my homemade tripod.
For
If
one out of
you had to rate it out of 10, what would you give it? I think I would give it an 8 because if it was me personally, I would make the breast a little bit smaller and I would add tomato and lettuce, which Chick-fil-A does to their chicken sandwich.
I think it's just because it's a classic chicken sandwich. That's what,
Yeah, I mean, she's good. Okay, don't get me wrong.
So 1 out of 10. If you were to go to a restaurant and expect a normal chicken sandwich, I'm gonna give this a 10. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the bun. The chicken is crispy. It's juicy. The spiciness isn't overdone. It's nothing's wrong with this. I mean,
I want your pickle.
and if I were to do like a McChicken or let's do a
Chicken
McChicken
is
from
trash.
McDonald's. The McChicken for me, it does taste pretty good, but sometimes it has too much lettuce. You know, there's enough. I have zero complaints with this, and not too much seasoning. You know, there's nothing wrong with this. The bun is extremely good. The chicken, I mean, Popeyes chicken is good, but like, I have no problems with this. It's really good.
Well, you heard it here. It gets a 10 out of 10 and an 8 out of 10. It's good. It's spicy. I need something to drink, so we're gonna finish our sandwiches and see you later.
Bye. So good, Mom.
Yeah.
It's kind of what you wanted. You know, like if you, this is what you expected.
All right, we already did the review.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.